Hi, welcome to Tech World. This is Sandwatch Airdrop. Sandwatch is a decentralized AI-powered entertainment platform built on Solana, positioning itself as the Web3 alternative to Netflix. If you are just coming across my video channel or you are yet to subscribe to this video channel, please do well to hit the subscription button and also check the link below to subscribe for new airdrop. So this is Sandwatch. To sign up for Sandwatch, you come to this aspect, this login. Click on the login. This it is built on Solana platform. Solana platform, you have to use a what Phantom's wallet for it. So you come over to Phantom's wallet. You have to what log in and what create. Then put your password. You put your password. Oh wow, I'm disconnect. Then you put your password. When you put your password, then connect. Once you click on connect, just wait, sign message of login, just wait. Then the code of the person that invited you. So I'll be providing my code, my invitation code. So I have to use the person that invited me the code. Then put the code inside, paste it. You click enter, click enter. So right now I'm using a desktop platform for it. A desktop platform. We also have a mobile platform and a desktop platform. So it's reading now. It's loading the code now. Okay. Here now, confirming your seat now. You can always upgrade later. You can always upgrade later. I'll click on confirm. Confirm. Then basic. I can put my anything as a okay as a username. This is my username. Then I click confirm. This is my username. Then I click confirm. Wow, from Joseph. Basic seat. Let me click confirm again. See now, basic seat now has been what activated. So immediately you registered and click confirm, you put your user name, which I did. I did. So you come over to this hamburger, this place, this basic seat. You click on it. Remember, I'm using desktop. You see your point here, you see your popcorn. Their point is called popcorn. You have 400 and something popcorn points and earning an additional 2.5 per second for your seat. You can seems to upgrade it or just leave it that way. Then you come over to the person that refer you is going to show in this place. The invited person is going to show a YouTuber like me. It's going to show the reward is going to show. You understand? You seem to connect your Telegram's wallet, link your Discord, hold over one Solana, connect your S, follow code on S to interact, then hold 500 Sandys, then hold play Solana NFT, dash, and the rest. This is how you will be able to what in more points. Look at the symbol here. This is your wallet. This is your wallet. You understand that activities is coming very soon. This is all about sound wash airdrop and Sandwatch airdrop. So you can go over, let's go over to their S. Let's say connect S now. Let's connect the S and see. You can find any information you want to get on the S platform. You connect the S, authorize. The S has been connected. You understand that the S has been connected. So this is how you do it. This is all about Sandwich. It's not. I have a link in the description box and the code follow for you to join. Also, I believe if it is not new, I believe it's something you can do and watch. You can do it on your phone or on the desktop. If you have a laptop, you can do it here. There are so many airdrop that is still coming up. I want to thank you very much for watching my video and for joining me. We know we are just a small YouTuber that is coming up. So your contribution, your like and everything is going to help us to make YouTube algorithm to uh, broadcast or spread our YouTube page. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.